So my sister advised me to do this. I didn't want to, but now that I think about it, might as well. So I'm very organized in all my cars. I already did most of them. So, well, I already started, I mean. But, little montage. Fords. JDMs. Thinking about putting this one like this. But the whole point is to divide them, so I think I'm gonna put them up there. There you go. Okay, this one I technically can't move it, so I'm gonna have to work around it. You can't even. Oh yeah, you can. This is a little shelf with cores on it. I really can't move it, so. One more shelf. I almost forgot to record, but here's the final product. Oh, that looks bad. But yeah.